Welcome to Meatloaf Reinvented. If you think meatloaf is just a boring old dinner, think again. We're here to show you how to transform this classic dish into exciting and delicious new meals that will blow your mind. From tacos to pizza, sliders to stuffed peppers, we've got you covered, so grab your apron and let's get cooking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic food transformations. First up, we're taking taco night to a whole new level with these epic meatloaf tacos. Grab your leftover meatloaf and crumble it up in a pan. Heat it up over medium heat with your favorite taco seasoning. While that's sizzling, warm up some tortillas. Now let's build these flavor bombs. Pile that seasoned meatloaf onto your tortillas and top them with all your go-to taco fixings. Think shredded lettuce, diced tomatoes, onions, cheese, sour cream, guacamole, the works. Next up, we're turning leftover meatloaf into a pizza masterpiece. Grab your favorite pre-made pizza crust, spread a layer of marinara sauce, then sprinkle on a generous helping of shredded mozzarella cheese. Now crumble that leftover meatloaf evenly over the cheese. Pop that pizza in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly and the crust is golden brown. Let it cool slightly before slicing and prepare to have your mind blown. Get ready for the ultimate party appetizer, meatloaf sliders. Slice your leftover meatloaf into patties that are about the size of slider buns. Heat them up in a pan with a little bit of butter for extra flavor. While those are warming, spread a thin layer of your favorite condiments on the slider buns. Place those warmed meatloaf patties on the bottom buns. Now, add a slice of cheese to each slider and top it off with the other half of the bun. You can even use toothpicks to hold them together if you're feeling fancy. Chapter 4. Meatloaf. Stuffed peppers, veggies, and meatloaf. Yes, please. Time to sneak in some veggies with these incredible meatloaf stuffed peppers. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Slice your bell peppers in half lengthwise and remove the seeds and membranes. In a bowl, mix your leftover crumbled meatloaf with cooked rice, your favorite tomato sauce, and some shredded cheese. Stuff that mixture into the bell pepper halves and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the peppers are tender. Chapter 5. Meatloaf. Quesadillas. Cheesy, gooey meatloaf goodness. Get ready for some cheesy, gooey goodness with these meatloaf quesadillas. Heat up a large skillet over medium heat. Place a tortilla in the skillet and sprinkle one half with shredded cheese. Top the cheese with crumbled meatloaf. Add some of your favorite salsa. Fold the tortilla in half and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortilla is golden brown and the cheese is melted. Slice it up and get ready to dip. Chapter 6. Meatloaf, shepherd's pie, comfort food. Just got an upgrade. Let's warm up with a comforting classic, meatloaf shepherd's pie. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Spread your leftover meatloaf in an even layer in a baking dish. In a separate bowl, combine mashed potatoes, cooked vegetables like peas and carrots, and gravy. Spread this mixture over the meatloaf. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until heated through and bubbly. Chapter 7. It's time for a twist on a family favorite with this meatloaf spaghetti. Cook your favorite spaghetti according to package directions. While the pasta is cooking, heat up your leftover meatloaf with your favorite jar of spaghetti sauce. Drain the cooked spaghetti and add it to the pan with the meatloaf and sauce. Toss to coat and sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Dinner is served. Who says meatloaf is only for dinner? These meatloaf breakfast burritos are about to rock your world. Scramble some eggs with your favorite fillings like onions and peppers. Warm up your leftover meatloaf in a separate pan. Lay out your tortillas and fill them with scrambled eggs, crumbled meatloaf, and a sprinkle of cheese. Roll them up tight and get ready for the ultimate breakfast or anytime treat. Prepare for the ultimate comfort food mashup. Meatloaf grilled cheese. Spread butter on one side of each slice of bread. Place one slice of bread, butter side down, in a skillet over medium heat. Top with a slice of cheese, a generous helping of leftover meatloaf, and another slice of cheese. Place the other slice of bread on top, butter side up. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side or until golden brown and the cheese is melted. Last but not least, let's whip up a big pot of meatloaf chili. Heat a large pot over medium heat and add your favorite chili ingredients. Onions, peppers, garlic, beans, tomatoes, the works. Crumble in your leftover meatloaf and let everything simmer together for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Serve hot with all your favorite chili toppings like sour cream, cheese, and green onions. And there you have it. 10 mind-blowing ways to transform your leftover meatloaf into culinary masterpieces. Which one are you going to try first? Make sure you let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome food hacks and recipes. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video. Peace out.